Hello everyone, welcome back to Ordinary Adventures. Today we are coming to you from our home, from Ordinary Adventures headquarters.
Yeah, today we're doing an unboxing of a collectible. This is the Hot Toys Stan Lee figure from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Kitra didn't even know I bought this.
I didn't.
So come along as we unbox this figure on this home adventure. I have a big box here. Kitra does not know what is inside this box. What do you think is inside this box?
I honestly have no idea. We've had this box sitting around since like December, and I know that it says Hot Toys on it, but that's about all I know.
Yes, I'll tell you the story of how this box arrived here in just one second, but we'll show what it is. I wanted to unbox this on the channel because I thought people would be interested.
Yeah, we've been saving this. And I'm like, can we unbox it already? So finally we're unboxing it.
Well, this looks different than a normal Hot Toys release.
Oh!
This is hard to get in the shot, but this is the Hot Toys release of Stan Lee from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 as one of the Watchers. You can see a better shot of him on the back of this packaging right there. And what happened was, I was actually at Comic-Con, San Diego Comic-Con last year, and I actually recorded a vlog for Ordinary Adventures when we were a tiny bit channel. And I went to the Sideshow booth. And we're gonna start off at Sideshow Collectibles, one of the best booths every year at Comic-Con. Let's see what we can find. We've seen this guy online. This is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Stan Lee figure. How cool is that? Oh my God, that's amazing. I want it. And then when I got home, I went onto the Sideshow website and it was sold out. But Sideshow does this thing where they have a waiting list. If people that were supposed to pay don't pay, or whatever happens, the people from the waiting list from the top on get it. Mm-hmm. And right before this was released, I got an email being like, your card is charged, you're getting the Stan Lee.
Awesome.
I'm excited for this. Because, what do you think of this first
I think it's freaking cool. Well, it's funny, I saw that this was from Sideshow, and a long time ago when we first got this box, and I went on the website because he wouldn't tell me what it was, and I was trying to see, and I didn't even find this on the website, first of all.
Probably because it's sold out.
Probably because it's sold out, but I was like looking through, and I'm like, okay, maybe it could be this, maybe it could be that, but like, I was not expecting this. But I love it. It's so freaking cool. We have a Stan Lee, and probably his best cameo.
Actually, before we open that up, I want to say something about that. Because Stan Lee had a cameo, as you know, in every single Marvel Studios movie.
Well, the 60s were fun, but now I'm paying for it.
When it first started, I had this theory. I was like, maybe Stan Lee is the same person.
Remember me?
Sure don't. Look great, Hef.
It's very clear he's playing different characters in each of these movies.
Trust me, true believer. Trust me.
The thing I love about the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 cameo is he plays a Watcher, which is like this alien race who watches over the galaxies. And they can kind of transform.
Oh, man. Anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted, at that time, I was a Federal Express man.
My theory, and I'm sure a lot of people out there, is that Stan Lee was Stan Lee in every one of those cameos.
Is not meant for mortal men.
Neither was Omaha Beach, Blondie. Stop trying to scare us. Come on.
All right.
Excelsior.
He was the Watcher character that we see here in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2.
Okay.
So I think that makes this cameo his best cameo, probably aside from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse.
Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
It always fits. Eventually.
Okay, let's open this up. Finally, open the box. Now it's time to open the box inside the box. Sideshow sell stuff, sometimes they get exclusives. So I think this base right here might be a Sideshow exclusive. Maybe it isn't. I don't even know. I haven't done the research on that. So inside the box is another box. And I love how Hot Toys does this. They have their entire cast and crew, the people that work so hard on making the sculpts. They have them all listed right there. Here he is. All his glory. He even has his like little glasses, his little gold glasses. I love the retro yellow spacesuit. Hot Toys always nails the heads, like the head sculpts. Like I don't know how they do it. Do they like 3D scan the person? I know they have a bunch of like the best sculptors in the world like doing this, but like the heads always look so real. Let's put his glasses on him. Like, see what he looks like with the glasses. How do you put glasses on? Huh. Does he look cool with the glasses on? Yeah. And he comes with a bunch of different hands that are for various different positions. Okay, we're gonna try to put his like little helmet on. There he is with this helmet on. The thing I like about Hot Toys is they're just like so insanely detailed. You can see like the hairs on his head. You can see the like little pores on his skin. Usually with Hot Toys, I don't like to get the ones that have like normal costumes, and this is a little stupid, but I think most of my Hot Toys are like Iron Man or like Batman, because those ones have costumes that are like hard plastic and it looks more like a statue or a collectible. This one, him having the soft garments almost makes him look like a Barbie, like an expensive Barbie doll. Not that there's anything wrong with having an expensive Barbie doll, but I usually don't go for the ones with like the fabric clothes on them. Even as a kid, I didn't like the action figures that had like the little like a fabric cape or something like that. I don't know why. This one I'm glad I got because it's one of Stan Lee's last roles. Everything he created meant a lot to me. And I mean, looking around our house, we have a ton of stuff inspired by his creations. And it's cool that now we're gonna have to find a place for him on a shelf here at Ordinary Adventures headquarters.
I think this is really, really fun. And I'm actually really kind of surprised by this background. As you were constructing it, I was like, we're never gonna use that. But I love that it's like metallic.
It's like lenticular.
Yeah, it very like much reminds me of Guardians of the Galaxy's like fun, playful colorfulness. I think this is a very good addition to our collection because it's so unique and it's unlike anything that we have. It's not just another, you know, stormtrooper figure.
Now don't you move. My hands aren't as steady as they used to be.
By Odin's beard, you shall not cut my hair, lest you feel the wrath of the mighty Thor.
Gizmo, what do you think? Do you like it? Or are you bored? Okay. What about you, Pixel? You just don't care, do you?
Are you Tony Stank?
Yes, this is Tony Stank. You're in the right place.
All in all, I'll say I'm very happy with this figure. He doesn't really like want to sit down. Like controlling his legs to sit down, he doesn't. I don't know.
Yeah, we can't get him to sit quite correctly on the thing.
It's
We're
like,
struggling with it for. Oh, did you just figure it out? Is
no,
he supposed to-
it looks like he's not real. Like no one sits like that, right?
I think we might have just actually figured it out. I think maybe he leans on it like this. No? Just kidding. Yeah, so he doesn't really quite sit properly, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. And he still looks super cool.
I like to have him stand anyways.
Yeah.
So unless there's an earthquake here in California, which does happen, he'll be standing on one of our shelves. Maybe next to Baby Groot. A few years ago as a Christmas present, Kitra got me Baby Groot. He's also a Hot Toys collectible.
I love him. He is Groot. I wanted to see how he looked next to Stan Lee. Stan Lee's a little bit taller.
One of the first videos we ever recorded was an unboxing of a life-size Thanos Infinity Gauntlet. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it by clicking right over there. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next adventure.